To another primetime news follow-up. Now, a strong warning this evening to persons who continue to provide what is being described as fictitious reports in the media at the scene of an incident. It comes amidst claims that the Portmore Fire Department was slow in its response to a crash along the Dyke Road in Portmore on Monday because the ambulance and fire truck at the facility were out of service. TVJ's Kalisha Williams reports.
High tension along the Dyke Road in Portmore, St. Catherine on Monday. Persons being lifted from the mangled remains of these two vehicles to be transported to hospital. Persons on the scene have pointed out that the firefighters should have responded sooner since the station is a stone's throw away from the scene of the crash. But Public Relations Officer at the Jamaica Fire Brigade, Emilio Banks, pointed out that the unit responded 5 minutes after the incident was reported.
We sent one unit there. This unit had the extrication equipment, an extrication team, and some paramedics.
Mayor of Portmore, Leon Thomas, also had this to say.
We have occurrences in the municipality where a lady was burned to death because of lack of fire unit. Portmore is as big as Barbados, and for hit out of a fire unit, it is really a disastrous thing.
According to Mr. Thomas, he made further queries and was told the truck has been out of service for some time now.
It's approximately 2 to 3 weeks now that he said, but I am not certain about the time. It can be longer.
But according to Mr. Ebanks, the truck was dispatched to another scene minutes before the crash. He, however, pointed out that the firefighters had all the equipment needed to assist the victims. As for the ambulance, we were told it was taken to the dealer for servicing just before the crash on Monday and should be returned to the station on Tuesday. While Mr. Ebanks explained that it is not standard procedure for victims of a motor vehicle crash to be transported to the hospital in that manner, he said safety measures were followed. That aside, he said persons who continue to criticize firefighters have contributed to low morale within the brigade.
This is a high-stress situation, and you would have gone there, you would have done your best. You would have checked back through all the training manuals and everything to make sure that we did everything on point. And in your mind, you did a good job. And then you hear persons coming with this kind of negative criticism. It doesn't pay, it doesn't help, it's not good for anybody. Please stop it.
Kalisha Williams, TVJ News.